Hey everybody, welcome back to the wood shop. Today we're going to show you a project that can make you some money that's really simple and really inexpensive to make, maybe even free if you've got some pallet wood or scraps laying around.
We did have some scraps laying around. We've got quite a bit of pine here, and what we're going to do is turn this into a nice storage caddy. We're going to put a farmhouse finish on it, and we're going to show you how you can do it too.
Okay, so our caddy is going to be in the style of a slatted crate. So the first thing we've got to do is rip all of these slats down to 1.25 inches.
Alright, now that our slats are cut to width, we're going to cut them to length. We need 10 that are going to be 14 inches, and we need 6 that will be 5 1/4. We also have these 2 little strips here. These are going to be framing posts, and those will need to be 4 3/4. Let's get this knocked out. Alright, before we assemble our caddy, we're just going to hit everything with some 120 grit, sand it before we assemble it. It's going to make it so much easier.
And now it's time to put this thing together. We're going to do that with wood glue and 3/4 inch brad nails. We'll start with the short sides. After we get those constructed, we'll nail on the long sides and then the bottom.
Our little caddy, crate style caddy is constructed, and so all we have left to do is to put some finish on this. And the first thing we're going to start with is some pre-stain conditioner. This is a water-based pre-stain wood conditioner from Minwax, and then after we give that a little bit of time to dry, we will finish up with some semi-transparent wood finish. This is a color finish in white. It's going to give us a really pretty whitewashed look, similar to the stripes in this flag. If you didn't check that project out, you can do that here.
crate style wooden caddy, and you can batch these out real quick, make a real good profit on it, especially if you don't have any money in the wood you use.
It's a great way to use up some scrap wood, and you can do a multitude of things with this. If you wanted to make it purely decorative, you could take some glass jars and put in here with some floral decor. You could put this in the bathroom and store toilet paper in it. Just a lot of different things you can do with this. You can size up, size down, do different stain, maybe paint. One thing that I would recommend, we waited to stain this until after it was assembled. That was a real chore because we had to get in between all these slats and try to make sure that we got any drips or gobs. So maybe stain the slats before you assemble the crate. It might make life a little easier for you.
Right. Hey, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all of our content. And check us out on woodsongsbyrussell.com.
Thanks again for joining us today. Happy woodworking!